Hello guys, this is Honda car. Today I'll show you how to replace your upper joint ball joint. So what you need is part to replace. You can see it looks like this one, and here is also the snap ring to make it in position. The first thing what you will notice is that it actually goes from top to down, not like from like lower part to up. So we'll go like that direction, because snap ring goes here. You can see here is like two bolts, 10 millimeters. How to open that, and then how to like loosen this nut and take it off. Let's check what kind of size it is. Maybe 14. No, it's bigger, so we'll figure it out later on. But anyway, what you need to do is spray a lot of oil, of course, and it's 17, so socket 17, and let's loosen this one, and then we'll see what happened. Let's remove the cover. And it's not too rusty. I put some oil also on top of it, so maybe that's why. Good. One out. One to go. Also not too hard. Okay, watch out, it's about to fall down. So it's down, and let's put it there. Here you can see how it looks, kind of rusty. So what's the interesting part there? There is cutter pin inside, so let's try to remove it. Let's try to get out the cutter pin. Always tricky business, maybe. It's hard to find it. Especially if it's so rusty. That is the one part of it, and the other must be the other side. Let's try to find it. Okay. See? I don't know if you can see it. I somehow managed to squeeze it out. Just put some oil, cleaning stuff, and then like that. That's how it's out. That's nice. Next part. Pick your sounding socket. Use it to open this one. Maybe you will need some. No, it's rather easily opening, so no problems with that. Oh. So that's out. Next stuff Let's try to get this out of the... If you can get like your upper ball joint out, that's going battery, this going this, and this. Take this off, and here will be one bolt, and there is another 10mm socket. You can work quickly if you want. Put here bolts. Use some extension too if it's necessary. And that's how you lose your bolt. So then you can remove this piece. You see, all you need is just space here. You don't need to take it out fully. So I opened just these bolts too because it was very hard to open them. I had to use some momentum and some extensions like this one and like this one. It's like this is really good one for this job. Why? Because you can make like this, put it on top of your bolt. This is like a longer version, but for them here where it's harder to get. Then you can slam and hammer this side, and this will pop maybe a little bit looser, and you can do your job. So next stuff here you can see I actually unbolted these bolts from side. It was not very necessary. It was unnecessary, but yeah, you can see it's already moving. You have to secure this stuff so your axle is not falling out. So with this quick strap I actually secured the axle. Next thing, take this out. This is your arm. Might not be too hard to do it. Let's rotate these ones forward or something like that, or downward. Now you should be able to get this out, so let's see how it will work. Try to slam this with hammer. Let's hope it will. That's how it's on. So let's remove the snap ring. It's here. You can see. So guys, here is what happened. So here is a used arm for upper ball joint, and here is this my old one. I bought used because I tried to find new one, but I couldn't find fast enough, and also I already had this upper ball joint. But since this is good, I didn't replace it because it's rather big trouble. But the reason why I had to do it is because of this. Now it's a bit oily, but and it's not too easy to see. But it actually was welded to this arm, so I couldn't press it out, and that's why I had to buy a used one, and I couldn't replace by that. But this is a better one. You can see by this These are actually a lot better one than these ones, because these were already worn, and then well, that's what happens when you try to do your stuff by that. Sometimes you actually get something not too good. If you buy a used car, like this one, welded ball joint. So I will replace this one and try to do it like everybody else does, like by just replacing whole arm with everything already on. So thanks for watching, and I hope I could help you.